Welcome to another episode in our series on digital transformation. Today we talk about how companies are using machine learning and artificial intelligence to make strategic decisions. In an environment where data is being generated at breathtaking speed, the ability to analyze it and transform it into key decisions is what differentiates competitive companies from the rest. We will see how AI and machine learning can analyze data in real time, predict trends, and optimize resources to improve business decision-making. Traditional business decisions are often based on historical information or managerial intuition. However, in the modern business environment, this is no longer sufficient. With large volumes of data coming from all areas of a company, from finance to marketing to operations, it is essential to have the tools to analyze that data and transform it into meaningful decisions. This is where machine learning and artificial intelligence come into play. These technologies allow companies to detect hidden patterns, foresee trends, and anticipate opportunities and threats before they materialize. Machine learning is a branch of AI that allows machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. As more data flows into the system, machine learning models can improve their predictions, automatically adjusting their recommendations based on what they have learned. For example, in sales, a machine learning system can analyze historical customer data to predict which customers are most likely to make a purchase, optimizing marketing resources. In production, it can foresee problems in the supply chain and suggest adjustments before they impact the operation. What makes artificial intelligence so powerful for strategic decision-making is its ability to anticipate the future. AI uses vast amounts of data and analyzes it in real time, providing managers not only with information about what has happened, but what could happen. For example, a retail company can use AI to analyze the buying behavior of its customers, predict which products will be most in demand in the future, and adjust its inventory accordingly. In the financial sector, AI algorithms can predict market fluctuations and adjust investment strategies automatically. Let's look at some case studies of companies that are already using machine learning and artificial intelligence to improve their strategic decisions. Netflix uses AI to analyze users' viewing habits and predict which content will be most popular, thus optimizing its catalog of productions. Amazon uses machine learning to forecast product demand and adjust its inventory in real time, enabling it to offer fast deliveries and reduce costs. JP Morgan uses AI algorithms to forecast fluctuations in financial markets and automatically adjust its investment strategies. These examples show how leading companies are using these technologies to optimize key decisions, improve operational efficiency, and maintain a competitive advantage. The future of decision-making will be largely driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Companies that adopt these technologies will be better equipped to anticipate market changes, adjust their strategies nimbly, and make more accurate decisions based on data rather than assumptions. Over time, AI and machine learning models will become even more sophisticated, allowing companies to forecast changes more accurately and further optimize their operations and resources. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing strategic decision-making. If you want to know how to implement these technologies in your company to improve efficiency and anticipate opportunities, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you integrate these advanced solutions into your business. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning more about how advanced technologies can transform your business.